these guys.
I feel like it's just Betty Crocker frosting. Let's see, vanilla cookie and vanilla frosting with rainbow sprinkles. So it seems like it's just the frosting that Betty Crocker has in the jar. And I feel like DunkAroos back in the day were different. Though, for what it is, does it taste familiar?
The frosting does taste different.
Yeah, they're made by Betty Crocker, it says, so I assume
Oh.
they just throw the frosting in there. But still pretty fun. Slightly different than what I remember. Pretty good though. Just for a old retro snack. DunkAroos. They're at 7-Eleven. Maybe at other places too, but I found them at 7-Eleven.